Top 10 Best Product Reviews. Read reviews, see top 10 lists. Compare price and buy only best products. Do you want to see price comparison like this? Best products handpicked from e-commerce websites. See price comparison like this for various products. From Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Paytm. Explore top 10 list, compare price, and buy only best products. This is the most popular LG Ultra Perfect Plus 2-liter wet grinder. The 2-liter Compact Perfect Plus finds a large place in your heart and a small corner in your kitchen. Loaded with features that are a perfect blend of health and taste, the highlights include a digital timer, multi-utility drum and an unbeatable 10-year warranty. It has patented conical stones for effective grinding and low batter temperature. Its SABS body is lighter weight, longer life, and great looks. Also get batter cleaner for easier cleaning of the conical stones. It has dish-shaped multi-utility drum. Batter can be stored in the same drum after grinding. It has 150 watts motor and its power consumption is 150 watts. Also use grinder for atta kneading. You can use to coconut scraping. It has noiseless and vibration-free operation. LG gives unbeatable 10 years warranty on product. The main product comes with following parts. 1. Main grinder body with power cord. 2. Cover for the batter drum. 3. Batter cleaner. 4. Warranty card with 10 years warranty. 5. Set of 2 conical grinding stones. Grinding stones has a round slot. You have to just place the stones in the male slot inside the drum. The grinding stones rotates freely inside the drum. Grinding stones has a stud to lock the top arm onto the stones. Just place the arm on the grinding stones and turn anti-clockwise to lock. Now the grinding stones are locked and ready for usage. It has a digital timer. You can set time in minutes for grinding operation. Just press the down button to reduce the time and press up button to increase the time. After you set the button, press on button to start. However, do not ever run the grinder when it's dry. I have set the digital timer now. When the timer reaches 1 minute, it gives beep sound continuously. At the end of the minutes it stops the grinder automatically. This feature is very important. You can set 20 minutes and go watch your favorite serial in television. Grinder stops automatically at set time. You can take the batter later at your free time. Amazing, isn't it? Now, let's see how to use this wet grinder. Before starting to use this wet grinder, you must wash the conical stones and the batter drum thoroughly under tap water. This cleans the new stones of any small stone particles. After washing, you are ready to start using the grinder. Grinding stones has a stud to lock the top arm onto the stones. Just place the arm on the grinding stones and turn anti-clockwise to lock. Now the grinding stones are locked and ready for usage. Before starting the wet grinder, pour some water. I'm making batter for dosa now. For this, you need to soak urad dal and rice overnight for at least 10 to 12 hours. Put the dal rice mixture slowly into the drum. You can make batter for around 500 grams of dry dal soaked in water. If you put more than 500 grams, batter comes to the top area of the drum. So do not put more than 500 grams. I have made a dosa for a family of 3 adults and 2 kids for 4 days. You will get more batter, around 2 to 3 times compared to grinding in normal mixer grinder. Amazing, isn't it? I have set auto stop timer for 25 minutes. Now, close the lid and let the grinder do its work. I can listen to the sound of the grinder. It's running smoothly. Now the stop timer came under 1 minute, so the grinder started making deep sound continuously. You can see that wet grinder stops automatically after time is completed. Make it very useful feature. Now, keep the drum in refrigerator or change the batter to another container. You want to see top 10 best wet grinders in India? Want to see detailed reviews and price comparison about each and every wet grinder? Just check my blog. See description for links to Google top ranking posts about wet grinders, mixer grinders and other products. I have selected highly rated and reviewed 10 best wet grinders. Do you want to see price comparison like this? Best products handpicked from e-commerce websites. See price comparison like this for various products from Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Paytm. Explore top 10 list, compare price, and buy only best products. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video and share it to your friends. Subscribe to my channel and get notified about new videos.